Thank you for letting me speak. It is critical that people learn to respect nature instead of trying to control it. Wildlife is like the canary in the coal mine. It is a warning. Do you want your neighborhood sprayed with insecticides jeopardizing the health of people, pets, or wildlife? The Collier County or Collier Mosquito Control District currently has a budget of over $60 million. This program has been in effect since 1950. Yet, here we are, 75 years later, and they continue to spray us with toxic chemicals, including chemicals banned in other countries. For all the dollars spent in the shiny new objects, planes, and helicopters, have conditions improved? No, they haven't. Spraying for mosquitoes is slowly destroying our ecosystem. Instead, our money should be spent on wildlife conservation, creating a balanced, harmonious ecosystem with dragonflies, birds, bats, minnows, and other wildlife to protect us from mosquitoes. All living things play a vital role in the ecosystem. Mosquitoes are a food source for fish, predatory insects, bats, birds, dragonflies, spiders, and other mosquitoes. They also filter feed, turning over organic matter and helping recycle nutrients back into the ecosystem. Here are some other reasons why you should not want to spray for mosquitoes. Effects of chemicals. People and pets may experience eye, skin, nose, or throat irritation, or breathing problems, even cancer after exposure to these chemicals. Pesticide residues. Pesticides may accumulate on outdoor surfaces like boardwalks and furniture after spraying. 3. Small swimming insects. Oil surfactants used to reduce water surface tension can cause tiny insects to suffocate and disrupt the entire food chain. 4. Whether or not natural or synthetic broad spectrum insecticides are highly toxic to a wide variety of insects, not just mosquitoes. 5. Millions of migratory birds and native birds, including butterflies, environmentally threatened monarchs, which are inevitably killed by spraying every year by the state of Florida's mosquito abatement program. Let's work together and find a better way to build a better Naples. Thank you.